At Mana Bay, we follow international standards when it comes to food. To maintain the international standards, we have our Executive Chef Kaique Chericone.
Hello, my name is Kaique. I'm the Executive Chef of Mana Bay. I begin where I start work. Actually, from when I was kid, my passion from kitchen start. I used to cook with my grandfather. I'm in Brazil. I'm from Brazil, so we used to cook a lot of barbecue items, like on Brazilian style, Latin American style, a lot of ceviches and tiraditos and that on. So I started working in a kitchen when I was 16 years. And basically I work in 12 countries in this world. So Armenia, Thailand, Bangladesh, Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar. And now I am in Mana Bay in Bangladesh, where I bring all my experience and everything to Mana Bay Water Park. Mana Bay Water Park is not only about water, it's about water park. Here, every plate, every food we serve, there is a story, there is a love behind. So that's what we try to do, and what we are doing in Mana Bay is food is like art. So that's what we bring to Bangladesh, new experience, new concept, farm to table. So all our vegetables and everything we select from the farms and organic things. So that's what we are doing here in Mana Bay. We sell good quality food, we sell experience. This is the food we give in Mana Bay. With love, with care, share, and delicious food.